This is going to be the elevator at Saks Fifth Avenue, at Saks Fifth Avenue store, Tysons Galleria Mall in Tysons, Virginia. We got some Montgomery A series elevator. 1, 2, 3. 3's closed, but let's get him over. View. Just your basic Montgomery elevator. So your fixtures, capacity is 2,500 pounds, and it has a phone. Here's a certificate of inspection. We're gonna ride one more time. And we're gonna enter that one. Door close button works. Here we are at 1. We're gonna enter right here because the music is out in the store. Here we are 1, and that'll be it.